Folks, Prep Rebel here. Okay, so the final results of the pastrami. I'm going to pan the camera down here while I'm talking and you can see what's going on here. So this is the final results. This is the smoked pastrami. Alright, so you can see all of the marbling, right? And when you cut into this, now this is the point here, and this is the flat over here. I've already cut some off to see where the way that the marbling goes, because you want to cut across the grain, right? So we'll just remove that out of here for a second. And now if you go, like I said the other day, you can find your way through where the flat and the point are. Okay, look how juicy that is. There's still, this is a lot of fat in here that'll get trimmed out, and in here. But I mean, if you look at this, you can tell just how soft and delicious that's going to be. All right. So like I said, with the grain, because the grain goes this way, you want to slice this one this side, this way. So it would be like this. Right? And then you can see the grain here. If you can see that, you can see the marbling of the fat. All right, that is the most tender way to eat it. Right? If you're going to cut with the grain, you're going to have a bit more of a chew. So this was a 16-pound pastrami that was trimmed down a little bit, and you've got the flat and the point. The nice thing about a brisket is the grain runs two different ways. It runs one way in the point and one way in the flat. So when you go to slice it, this side, for example, because the grain runs this way, you're going to slice it like that. And you can see this is going to be really, really tender. Now, if this was still warm, like it was last night, you'd be able to slice a piece, a thin piece, and you'd see a bend. Like you can see how this bends like this. That's going to be really tender, and it's going to be really good in a sandwich. And it's going to be a really nice chew to it as well. You've got the smoke ring, you've got a little bit of bark, and this is basically the final result of what I was going for with the pastrami, changing a brisket to a pastrami after 26 days. So it is a joy to be able to eat this. Now, the juice that I was talking about in the video, the rendered fat and juices that came out of this, I saved, and I'll use this when I reconstitute this for sandwiches, because when I go to make my sandwiches, I'll steam this first, bring it up to 205, and then build my sandwiches from there on that rye bread. Now the rye bread, like I said earlier in the other video, there's not much left of this one. But if you look at the crumb here, this is going to stand up to any sandwich that I put on this. It's going to be delicious. Anyhow, that's it. That's what I've got for you today. Have a great day. Prep Rebel out.